The audio is working, okay? 2 streams ago, or 1 stream ago, I started and it wasn't working. Like, the audio wasn't working. Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna set up the chat. I think it's working. Maybe. God damn, that's loud. Jesus. That is loud. Is that actually loud or not? Loud. Okay, well, at least the chat works. Bro, you know what doesn't work? Like, why is it like it's not see-through, bro? It's not freaking see-through, bro. It's not freaking see-through. Why? Why is it not see-through? Here's the crazy part, dude. Because if I go like this, then it just removes the text. Like, what are you doing? Oh. I see now. So if we turn the opacity, yes. Wait, this is like the same thing. Smoothness. Whatever. Let's just turn. Wait a minute. No, this one's actually better. This one's better, I think. No. It's not better. Here's what we do. We go to inspect element. Okay. Inspect element. And then we click on it. Okay. And then we make the background green. Yes. I think that's this one. Can we do that? Can we do that? Oh, no. Do I put a comma in between them? How do I make 2 of them? Oh, that's probably... Oh my goodness, yes. 2 classes together. I don't want to make 2 of them. Just okay, so no space, got it. Okay, that still doesn't work, still doesn't work entirely. Oh, I put display none. Hold up. Hold the phone. That's too crazy. Oh, there we go. Oh, I did it. Okay. Okay. Alright. We open VS Code. VS Code. Yes. Okay, what was I doing last time? Wait, hold up. This is so much better with the chat. Okay. I'm still doing this. This is probably still true. Yeah. So I got received packets, but the sent packets aren't happening. So what's up with that? What's up with that? What's up with that? Okay. Okay. Do I do this? Let's actually. Okay, that's it, I guess. Okay, let's open up the shell. Let's do inject build. Okay. Let's open up Chrome. Okay. Let's open up the console. Okay. Does this work? Does this work? October 20th. It's not the 20th. It's not the 20th. Is the inject build working? I hope it is. Please work. There we go. 24th. Okay. Okay. You know what would be good to have? If I had like a chat bot or whatever, so my computer could see the chat like as it comes. Yeah. So what is this? Okay, so if the first byte equals this thing, do this stuff. So that's working. Here, this wasn't working. Yeah, this is dude, is that? I can hear my computer. It's gasping for air. My poor computer. Wait, hold up. My poor computer is gasping for air. My computer will never get to see the light of day. Okay, here we go. I should get more airflow. I just put the computer upside a little bit. Okay. So yeah, this should, when I send a message, it should do something. So yeah, let's see if that works. I don't think it did. What is this? Yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's do sandbox. Let's join sandbox. Okay, so that's not working. Let's do another instance. Okay. You die now. Okay. So this works sometimes, maybe. Okay, that's not cool. That is not cool. Yeah, that means the sent packets are somewhere else. Oh, I remember. I was looking at this. I remember this. Yep, I was looking at this stuff. Yo, let me get my phone for the chat. Yo, 1 second. Alright, my phone is gonna be the chat for me, and also FNAF jump scare monitor. Okay. Yeah, okay, so there's I remember this. I remember that. Huh. Oh yeah, I remember this. No, I definitely remember this. Didn't I write this down somewhere? Where did I... What? I think it was here. No, here. Yeah. So I did this. Something. Oh my god. My phone is freaking installing an update. Look at this, bro. What the hell? What do you mean it's installing an update, bro? Like, get out of here with the updates, bro. Get out of here with the update, bro. Get out of here with the update, bro. Bro, look at my cat. You can see her head. Right there. That's where her head is. She's poking her ear out so she can hear. Crazy cat. Crazy cat. Alright. Let me unlock my phone so I can get the chat. Ready. Gotta get my chat. Okay. Okay. The chat is almost open. My phone is still loading because I just turned it on. Okay. Okay. Ooh. YouTube. I like YouTube. Bro, I've been watching like a bunch of YouTube recently. Wait, what? They opened up a crystal oscillator? That's pretty cool. I've never seen one. Oh, wow. Silicone chip? What the heck? It's attached to a spring? The flip? The flippity? Okay, bro, I just closed YouTube. My one and only job was to open the chat and I closed it. What is this, bro? What is this, dude? Okay, I got the chat now. The chat is open. Mission accomplished. Alright. Back to this nonsense. Okay, so the big function trace. Yeah, so I dereference some stuff. Here I check if it's probably a pointer, and then I load whatever that is. Yeah. Okay, so that is, where is that? My god, dude, my laptop. It's chugging. Ever since I opened VS Code and started streaming, I could imagine why. Can only imagine why. Okay, so we got the stuff here. We have this. Console, yep. Console, yep. Big func trace. You know what? I'm kind of confused. Oh, never mind. I'm not confused anymore. Okay. Okay. I'm just checking. See if this thing works like it's supposed to. Okay, so yeah, here are the whatever. So copy console. Okay. And you know what? Nope. I'm gonna open up Kate here. Yeah. And I'm gonna do this again. Exactly the same, but a little longer. So the chat message is a little longer. So the export. Okay. Okay, let's take that out. Copy, and we copy this. Review it, and this one. Okay, and there are differences. Yep. Okay. Okay. So there's some structure. Definitely some structure. Okay. So there's some curiosities here. So these pointers, not really pointers. These are pointers and they're different, but what they point to is the same. Okay. And these are just different. 51, 58. This one's 128. Multiple of 128. Okay, and this is where they differ. So they're all the same here. Here's 17, here's 10. These, I don't know. Packet length, probably. Maybe that's related to packet length. I don't know. I would have to keep track of the message that I sent. Yeah. Yep. Okay, here's some good stuff. I think this is good because the pointers are the same on this one, but the values are different. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Yeah, these are all mostly the same-ish. 11, 18, 11, 18. And then it's the same here, so interesting. Very interesting. So the packet decoding, I'm gonna have to figure that one out. Gonna have to figure that one out. Okay, here's what I'm thinking. I should do this again, but with like messages that I know in advance. So yeah. So here's gonna be 10 or whatever. So yeah, I'll just put that here. That's that. Okay, and then the next one, I'm gonna do a different one. So these are gonna be the same length, but different letters. So I'll do that, I guess. I'll do those. Okay. Let's take out what the sigma, because we don't want what the sigma, so that's 515. Yeah. So this is this one, and this one is this one. Okay, so similar stuff for this one. Similar stuff. These two are totally different. Is that how that works? I think this is a value, and then this is what it points to. Yeah. I don't know. A lot of the pointing to 0. So what does that do? What does that do? Let me look at the parts where they point to 0. Cause that could mean something. Hold on, bro. My freaking... I need my screen to be on longer. Whatever. It doesn't let me. Okay. Okay. Even... Oh, you know what? It could be these. These could be good, because it's like 2, 0. Okay. Look at that, 10, 0. What's going on there? I'm trying to look for something that seems to be like packet parsing behavior, because that's what I'm looking for. Oh, this is a long? Is that a long? I don't know. What is it? I forgot. The 0.3, I think, is a long. Is that so? Is that so? Let's look at the index. This one. So 0.3 is when we do this. Okay, what does that do? What is that? Hello? Oh, I think that's the print args. Is it? Is it the print args? What? Is it this one? Special? Oh, okay, yeah, here we got it. Here we got it. Oh, that's the print arg. So there's a function call. Oh, my bad. Okay. I feel like I'm gonna need to be able to identify which one of these are function calls easily, and it doesn't matter. Okay. This looks pretty packety, doesn't it? Pretty packety. There's like some numbers here. 93. Okay. There's a 7. Okay, let me keep looking. Let me go back to the beginning. Okay, so just looking at this again. So we got like 56. Oh, so these are 0. Isn't this a pointer? Hold up. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. Isn't is memory size, RAS memory size, that works, right? Okay, whatever. Okay, so okay, here's the deal. I want to do a three-way diff, so I can see anything interesting here. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this up on a new tab, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a different packet here. So different packet, we're gonna do lowercase m. Okay, so lowercase m. Alright, let's just keep those there. Alright, so we got a lowercase m packet. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, and then we're gonna compare these. Yep, we're gonna compare these. Okay. So, let's see what happened here. Like, what's the difference? Oh, okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a different diff with the first one from the chat packet, and then the last one from this one. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna find some differences. Excuse me. Dude, I sounded like that dude, my precious. He says my Bagginsons, Bilbo Bagginsons. Okay. So here it says 56, here it says 59, but on the chat packets, they're both 56. And on the other packet, they're both 59. But here, they are different. But they still have the same, this part, the pointer part. So they do definitely, they follow something. Okay, this one too. This one says 56, 59. Ooh, this one says 112, and this says 64. Interesting. 64. Huh. 64. Let me open up this. Okay. What is this? Our thingy. So 64, 59, 112, 56. Is there any of that in here by any chance? Let's go to the 202 and figure out that one. So we got 202. That's 10. And 77, 240. Let's look at 240 on here. Oh, 240 is just. Let's do something. Let's do this. Let's see. Okay, so 15 on that. If I see any 15s, let's see. Look at this. There is stuff here. It's doing something. And by the way, this isn't... Yeah, this probably points to something, right? Let me go make that more precise. So what is this, 10,000? And on here, it was like 71,000. So why didn't it print anything? Come on now. Come on now. Didn't print anything? So this... Oh, I think I have to... No way. Oh my god, guys. Alright, it was a short stream, but... Time's